the Bitcoin and the Ethereum crash is coming after EIP1559 good days are over in the August. Watch the video till the end and you will know, backing up with goods, what is going to happen with Bitcoin and Ethereum in the future and how can you plan ahead and utilize it for the best of your advantage. Now, as you can see, I have one of the articles open over here. We would not go onto it right away. Let me tell you, first of all, there are two kinds of people right now who already deal with Ethereum and Bitcoin. The people who have already sold Ethereums and their Bitcoins, they would want to believe that the big crash is coming so that they can buy at a low price, again, increasing their Ethereum and Bitcoin. The second kind of people who are holding as of now and were lucky enough to hold it and suddenly saw the surge, like the Bitcoin guys who saw the surge from $30,000 to $45,000 right now, and Ethereum guys who saw like from $1,800 to $3,200 or $3,300, whatever the price is ranging right now, $3,300. The point is, we need to see what is the ground reality and remove our emotions from it, irrespective of whether we have sold it or whether we still hold it. We need to see what is the ground reality. That's when we need to act, and that's when it is going to make a big difference. Now, this article, this guy, Richard Hart, if you'll see, like, he's pretty much a big guy known in the crypto industry, and he's basically one of the Hex coin founder. Hex basically grew for like 1,000 times more. This is also one of those coins. Now he says that Bitcoin, like post, I mean, this is the August 7th statement, post EIP 1559 upgrade, and he said that before also, in July also, that the maximum reach of Bitcoin was $65,000 in this run, and after that, like, it is going to eventually come down 85% down. That means it will reach to $10,000. And for Ethereum, he said the maximum in this year, Ethereum went to $4,400, and it is going to come down eventually 95% during this year itself. That means up till $220 it is going to come down. Well, probably I would not want to believe that okay, up till $200, $220, but definitely seeing the trend, it is definitely going to come a lot down. And in fact, like, even down, like further down till $1,800 or $1,500, it is going to definitely come down. And I have a strong reason to believe that. I'm going to tell you. I mean, by the way, guys, this guy Richard Hart, if you'll see, like, he has a reason for, like, the thing that he says, he has a reason for that. He's saying that this is the pattern that has been followed over and over, and this is how, like, it has shot up, and then eventually the big crash is going to come, and then he's saying that it is not going to stay like that. It is going to bounce a little bit, but this crash is inevitable. So the reason I'm making this video, so that you utilize this opportunity right now. Like, once the crash starts happening, that's when the opportunity will be gone. So, by the way, this guy has also this reputation that when in 2017 Bitcoin went up till $18,000, out of everyone, like, blowing everyone's expectation, from like less than $1,000 reaching up till $18,000 to $19,000. That's when, I mean, everyone thought they are going to reach where, I mean, they are going to get rich, like where it is going to end. That's when Richard Hart said this is the point, that it is going to crash back multiple folds down. That's what he said. It did not happen right away, but few months down the line, coming months, it went till $3,000 again. So he has this reputation. Just imagine, just claiming at the peak that this is the peak, now it is going to go down. And again, he's doing something like that. So obviously it is not just a blind shoot in the air. So even this might be possible, $220. But let me tell you about my own analysis based on the other results. This is one of the article on the Forbes, that this is the pattern that Ethereum has been following, that okay, over here it has reached, suddenly shot to $4,400, and then it went back to $1,872. So it was talking about, like, the ups and downs, the inevitable ups and downs of the crypto cycle. Obviously, we all, I mean, what is your gut feeling, that ever will come a point where the climb will continuously keep on happening for the cryptocurrency? Definitely your gut feeling would also say that okay, it is going to, whenever it's going to up, we do not know the peak, but it is going to come down eventually at the same pace. But obviously, let's not go with the gut feeling, let's go with the real proof. Now I have a chart open of the Ethereum. from the all time, like from before, like prior to like 2015. Let us see what this chart says about. As you can see, this is the pattern. Suddenly, like in 2018, starting like somebody who had bought in like 2017, obviously their value shot up to 100 times. People were like, it became talk of the town. The Ethereum shot to like 100 times from the last year's investment, and that's when the down cycle again came, and it reached to $396. Like people were like, okay, it has gone really low. Still, like it's still up, but it came back from where it started, and that's when again it started picking up, and people said, okay, it is again going to go shoot up to till like it is going to cross. Now this time it is going to cross the big numbers, but eventually it was able to reach till $700, and then again the downfall came. And in fact, the downfall was really bad. It came up till $100. Just imagine, over here $300 was like minimum, and then shot to 1200, and then back to $100, $200. The point is, the cycle, I mean, it was 2018, but then it followed for like 2 years, 3 years. I mean, 2 years, situation remained the same, and that's when the same cycle started happening again over here. As you can see, it shot up. I mean, you can see exactly same pattern is repeating, right? It shot up till $4,000 over here, $4,400 over here, and then again it's coming down, shooting down, just the way this dip, $300 or something. People thought, okay, nothing is going to happen, and that's when like it came to $1,700 over here. That people were a little bit disappointed, and then the jump started again. Right now, $3,100, $3,200. People again are hoping now this time Ethereum is going to just cross everything else, right? Just the way this was going to happen over here, like during the April and 2018 and stuff. So again, the big crash is coming. What do you think? Don't you see the pattern over here? Do you think that this is continuously now just going to go up? Definitely not. Like, it makes common sense. This is what the crypto world is all about. In fact, it is not even going to cross its previous benchmark of $4,400. It is going to come down, and far down, just the way as you can see, far down than the average level. It could even go like below $1,000. I feel it could even go, the crash could even go below $1,000. The point is, the people who have now broke even. I'm also going to show you the Bitcoin chart. It has followed the exact same trend, surprisingly. Now the people who are going to hold, I mean, who are already broken even, like some of the people at this point have broken even. I've seen many of the groups tweets, and people are saying that, okay, for the past 3 months I was in loss, now I'm broken even, now I'm in profit. Some of the people are saying, some of the people are still in loss but happy. What is the best thing that you can do from here? The best thing that you can do from here, two things. Number one, either you hold the Ethereum and do not risk, or do not worry, do not think about it again for the next 5 years. That's when, like, obviously 5 years down the line, once you wake up, you'll be seeing obviously it is shooting up, like more than like the same trends are going to happen, but in $10,000 plus level. So obviously your money would have, like, 5 years down the line, tripled, right? Tripled, 4 times, quadrupled, 5 times, whatever times. At the same time, let's say somebody who has 5 Ethereum, let's say for example somebody has 5 Ethereum. Right now the value will be $16,000, right? $3,200 multiplied by 5 Ethereum, that is $16,000. What if they sell it right now? Now if they sell it right now and then obviously wait for the crash, just give them 2 months time frame and see where does it go. And probably buy price they can keep it as $1,800, because it has already went to $1,800, we have already seen. So probably they can expect it again to go. Buy price as $1,800, right? And they have sold for 60. I mean, even it could be 1,600. Let's keep the buy price as $1,600. They are selling right now for $3,200. Maybe it might go a little more up, but you never know. It might go till $3,500, but you cannot say. It might go coming down from here itself, or it might go from up, little more up from here. But the downfall is coming inevitably. If they keep on holding, their 5 Ethereum at $1,600 will become $8,000 net worth. But let's say they sold it right now, and once the Ethereum comes back to $1,600, what is going to happen? They can buy 10 Ethereums. So utilizing this opportunity, this video is for that you utilize this opportunity and have patience. Do not get just worried about news here and there. Utilize the common sense, see the trend over here, and wait for the next 2 to 3 months. Once the price is $1,600 inevitably coming, buy again. That means you have converted your 5 Ethereum into 10 Ethereum. That's when, like, if you still hold, like, for the next 5 years, it might go to like $20,000. Your 10 Ethereum, like, instead of $100,000, you'll be having $200,000. Like, the big sum, you have doubled your money just utilizing this particular trend. And if not, like, I mean, if somebody says, okay, it is now always going to go up, it is never going to come down, which is like pretty much foolish to say, and obviously none of the people would agree to that. But even in that case, you haven't lost much if you have sold. But right now, once the price comes crashing down to $1,600, that's when no point of selling, right? You still will be holding, you'll be again in this particular phase. So this is the best opportunity. Now, having said that, let's see what is the trend for the Bitcoin. You'll see the exact same trend. This is for the Bitcoin. Like, people were holding over here $500, $800, and then suddenly it went till $1,900 since December 17, 2017. Do you remember? Definitely yes. And then that's when the downfall happened, 1,400 and people 14,000, and then back to 16,000, 17,000. But then again the downfall happened up till 7,000, and then little bit up 11,000. People thought, okay, now this time it is going to go up till like 20,000, 30,000. But then the crash came, and eventually to the point of 3,000. The people utilized this particular trend that they sold either over here, if not over here, utilized the trend to sold like 11,000. They bought back three times the amount of Bitcoin at this price, and that's when they can hold it further and keep it with themselves, like, for the next 1 year, 2 years, and that's when wait for the next bull run. This is the bull run that came. Many of the people like sold over here, over here, over here, right? And now again, like, it has gone to $29,000. People are waiting now. $46,000 at this point. Many of the people will be selling, and Bitcoin is going to come down at least like below $25,000 or up till $20,000, and that's when these people are going to buy again. So this is the trend. The same pretty much similar thing happening with the Dogecoin itself. Like, suddenly the big short, and then downfall, a little downfall, and then the big crash again, and then further the crash. But eventually, over a period of time, it is going to cross $1. Cardano also the same pattern. So guys, this is the trend that you have to utilize this opportunity for. Let me just show you one more thing. One more thing that is happening, like with the EIP1559, the reduction in the what is happening, the deflation is happening. That Ethereums are being burned, the fees are reduced for the miners are not able to mine the new Ethereums. The fees are being burned, so that is causing one of the advantage that the price is increasing because of the EIP1559, because the number of Ethereums are being stationary, like it is not increasing, new mining is not happening. This is the reason we are seeing the jump. But the big crash is coming is because the miners, a big chunk of people, big chunk of population who are dealing with Ethereum, now they cannot earn the money. The whole business will be crashing down of Ethereum mining. So we are not seeing the impact of that, and that is what is going to further impact, and in fact cause a big impact on the Ethereum network, and that's why the big crash will be coming post this August. As well as this is the reason, like, the owner of the Ethereum is basically wanting for that Ethereum 2.0 merge as soon as possible so that miners could gain again. One more thing, the gas fees is increasing slowly and steadily after this. So this is the impact of these things has not happened yet. We have just seen the cozy news so far, the best of the news, but the tough news is going to come soon. And the point is whether you will be able to take the advantage of this or not. You can save this video, because what is going to happen, this video is going to be there for good, and you can see that definitely it is going to happen. I'm going to give you a lot of analysis on the crypto NFT world, so do subscribe to my channel, because this channel will be everything only related with the crypto NFT, everything related with that, and how can you get the help with the latest news that is happening. So guys, thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.